How to find best PS4 discount code. First things first is of course pull up or open up any preferred browser you want. I'm gonna be using Google Chrome for this video and just create a new tab and go to couponfollow.com. Now this is actually the website that I'm usually using for discount codes and promo codes. Now all you have to do from here is just go directly to the search for store and just simply type in PlayStation. Now choose on the first result, and this might be from PlayStation Network, or you could also use this to purchase a physical console or any games that is officially from the PlayStation.com's website. Now all you have to do from here for you to be able to see the code is just to click on that and just simply choose any percentage or specific amount of discount that you will have. So for example, you want this one. Just simply click on that and then you will automatically have the specific code. Now all you have to do is just to copy this code, and any purchases that you will have for this website right here is entering you this code, and then you'll have that specific amount of discount. So that's it. That's the best that you can find for a promo code on PS4.